So if you monitor a conversation in a meeting or even with a student, what kind of things might be said which are kind of negative in a yes but mode? And it might be, well, with respect, okay, in a meeting this may happen, or with the greatest respect. And it goes somewhere bad, doesn't it? It's disapproval. It's not suspending judgment. Of course, when you introduce this swear box or yes but box into your meeting, it's interesting to see how often you make these mistakes. So you have to put in what maybe 100 taka, okay, for every time you swear or say yes but. And the money gets higher and higher, and then people start losing money and they think, I better be careful of what I say. And after maybe a week, everyone's speaking the right language, okay, like jazz musicians all the time. It's very interesting. But this power to suspend judgment is really crucial. Now, I've thought I would want to do something very different that I've wanted to do for the last 2 years here, but have never done. And I've asked Imran if he could suggest a traditional Bangladeshi song, which I don't know. I don't know any Bangladeshi songs. I do know some, Hindi songs and some Punjabi, but this will be my first lesson. I'm the student again here now. And I think, did you suggest the song Ono Dire? The song about the river. Is that right? Ono Dire.
Ono Dire, tui jash kothay re, kolkolaya cholcholaya kon sagore. Ono Dire, tui jash kothay re, kolkolaya cholcholaya kon sagore. Jash jethane na tui amare, jash jethane na tui amare. Ono Dire, tui jash kothay re, kolkolaya cholcholaya kon sagore.
Poira jai